So, we are gonna play Lunch Rush. Play. We're about to speedrun some orders, and we are about we are gonna take orders, serve, provided dishes. There are more orders left, so I'm gonna wash the dish. I'm apparently approved here, guys. How much? 4 cents. Bro, we're not even cleaning the window, we're cleaning the roof, bro. There. Let's go, guys. Come with me. No, nobody's gonna come with me, okay? Cow! NPC. Let's buy NPC. Never mind. Does nothing. Hell nah. I'm gonna buy manager. Oh, I forgot I'm broke. I can only buy NPC. That's faster. So I'm a cashier. Hey, that's my place. Good. That's my place. Hey, that's my place, boy. Lamb, that's my place. Bird, this is not your place. Bro, sa cockpit, bro. Guys. Iko. I'm serious. Yeah, bro. Oh, let's go. We're gonna bring the oro. Serve. Go. Hey. Baba boy. Sorry. Like that, and the restaurant bag 3,000. Oh wait, I'm gonna go to the ingredients. I'm not gonna lag you. Oh no, lunch rush! Sound, lunch rush. Hold Hey, that's my place. Baba boy. Oh, no, 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 that's not my place. Come on, guys. We're gonna cook. Awesome toast. Oh, that's not even a toast. That's one piece of toast. What's the toast? No, that's one. Never mind. No, that's one toast. I mean bread. I forgot the name. What's the name is? No, we need the cashier. No, I'm gonna be the cashier. Oh, got it wrong. You didn't serve this. Thanks, y'all. That's all for today, guys. I forgot.